Think January is too early to start your dream garden? Think again. If you want a massive spring harvest that fills your kitchen with clean, organic food, the work starts right now. Today, we're planting the 9 essential crops that thrive in the cold and set you up for your biggest yield yet. Let's grow green and live clean. Crop number 1, lettuce. It loves the cool January soil. Forget the grocery store. Plant Winter Density or Arctic King now. They're frost-hardy and crisp. Pro tip, don't plant it all at once. Sow a new row every 2 weeks for a continuous cut-and-come-again supply that lasts until summer. Number 2 is the nutrient powerhouse, spinach. Varieties like Giant Winter are practically built for this weather. Spinach actually tastes sweeter after a frost. Plant seeds densely now, and you'll be harvesting baby greens in as little as 40 days. Number 3, kale. It's the warrior of the winter garden. Lacinato or Dino kale is perfect for January starts. Start these indoors if your ground is frozen hard, or direct sow under cover. These plants will provide daily greens for months. Number 4, radishes, the speed demons of the garden. You want instant gratification? Plant cherry bell or French breakfast. They are ready to eat in just 25 to 30 days. Perfect for filling the empty spaces between your slower growing crops. Number 5, carrots. Yes, you can start them now. Napoli is an excellent variety for overwintering and early spring harvests. The trick in January is patience. Germination takes longer in cool soil, so keep them moist and maybe cover the bed with clear plastic to warm it up. Number 6, beets. 2 crops in 1, delicious roots and nutritious greens. Try Early Wonder for a quick start. Secret tip, soak your beet seeds in warm water overnight before planting to speed up germination in the cold January earth. Number 7, sugar snap peas. Nothing beats the taste of a pea fresh off the vine. Sugar Ann is a compact variety perfect for early starts. Get these in the ground as soon as the soil can be worked. They love the cool weather and will fade once the heat hits, so early is better. Number 8, green onions or scallions, the ultimate plant-it-and-forget-it crop. White Lisbon is a classic winter variety. They take up almost no space. You can squeeze them into any corner or pot for a fresh oniony kick to every spring meal. And finally, number 9, Swiss chard. Beautiful and resilient. Bright lights adds incredible color to your winter garden. Like lettuce, harvest the outer leaves only, and the plant will keep producing new leaves from the center all spring long. January isn't for waiting, it's for planting. Get these 9 crops in the ground and you'll be eating fresh while everyone else is still buying wilted veggies at the store. If you're ready for a huge harvest, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more great gardening tips. Happy planting!